Hello everyone. So today we're going to talk about this fascinating program that I use for version control on pretty much anything I do on my computer, from programming to just simple bash and Python scripts. This version control software is really adaptable to any type of situation, any type of program. And it's called Git. So what is Git? Git is a DevOps tool used for source management. It is a free and open source version control system used to handle small to very large projects efficiently. Git is used to track changes in the source code, enabling multiple developers to work together on a non-linear. So how do you download Git? You can simply visit this website that I'll have linked down below, and you can select your operating system. Or if you're using Linux, you can use Git clone to pull it. Now, Git comes with its own bash shell, which I will be using for the remainder of the video, but the majority of these commands can be used both in PowerShell or in command prompt. So what I have here are some files that I put together for a small to-do list made out of HTML code, and I'll have a link down below to where you can download these files if you want to play with it here. So you navigate to the file system, and then once you're over there, I'll right-click and open Git bash here. So being the first time that we're opening it, we're going to go ahead and set some global configurations. We're going to do git config -- global user.name and then your name. And I'm going to do git config -- global user email, and then you can put your email. And this is so if you ever share this with another party or a group of people working on this, they'll be able to tell who made what changes. And so since I haven't used Git in this folder before, I'm going to have to do a git init the first time in here. And as you can see, it says it initialized an empty Git repository. So if we run git status, we're going to see right now it's not tracking anything in this folder. In order for it to track these files and the changes I made for it, the easiest thing to do is just do a git add and then dot, and that will just automatically assign everything to track. But if you just want to track a certain folder, you can do git add and then the folder name images, for example. And then if we run git status again, the images folder is the only thing being tracked. And so now I'm just going to do a simple git add dot to add everything. I'll do git status, so everything is currently being tracked. Now I'm going to do a git commit to save the current settings, and I'll do initial commit, put all the changes into history, so basically saved in the log file exactly how everything is right here and right now. See, we can do git log, and there's my initial commit done by me, and there's my name and my email address and the date and time. So now let's say we make a change to one of these files. I'm not going to do anything major, just something just enough for it to pick up. Make that to 11, and I'll go back to our git bash command, run git status, and see it shows that the style.css file has been edited. So we will do git add and prepare those changes to be committed. And so then we'll do git commit -m, and we edited style.css. They committed those changes, and so we'll do git log. We'll see those two previous commits. And if you ever need help with anything in Git, you can always do git help, and you can see a list of their commands. Now let's go back to my source files and make a small change, save it. And we're going to go here, git status, and it shows the script.js was edited. So we can do a git diff, and it's going to show you what has changed in that file since the last time that it was edited. And so we added an extra exclamation mark. So if you want to save it, we can do git add and git commit to save it. If you want to ignore it, we can just go back and take it off, whatever anybody wants to do. It's really very versatile. I'm going to do git status now that I took it off. I'll still use that too. I'm going to add it. Add init. We can do git log, and we can see everything that we just did. Now we can also do git log --1 line. I have to spell it right first. Git log --1 line. And here's just kind of the shorthand version of everything that's been changed. Now this was just a very basic overview of everything you can do in Git. There's a lot more that can be done to it, but this is basically all I really use it for. Some people have a GitHub repository that they push and pull and work with other people on. I don't do that often, but that'd be something for you to play around for and for something for a future video. Thank you guys.